What if some of the foods already sitting in your kitchen could help you stay stronger, sharper, more energetic, and healthier as the years pass? After 40, the body begins changing in ways you may not immediately notice. Muscle can decline faster, metabolism may slow, inflammation can rise, and recovery may take longer than it once did. But aging is not controlled by the calendar alone. What you eat every day can influence your muscles, heart, brain, gut, blood sugar, bones, and even the way your cells respond to stress. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful foods that can support healthier aging and help you feel better after 40. And some of the best choices are surprisingly simple. Powerful antioxidants for healthy aging. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may be small, but they are packed with protective plant compounds. Their deep colors come partly from anthocyanins and other polyphenols that help defend your cells against oxidative stress, one of the processes associated with aging and long-term health problems. Berries also provide vitamin C and fiber while delivering plenty of flavor without a large amount of calories. Their fiber can support digestion, healthier cholesterol levels, and steadier blood sugar when they replace highly processed sweets. Meanwhile, their antioxidant compounds are being studied for their potential benefits for cardiovascular and brain health. Add a handful of berries to Greek yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or simply eat them as a snack. Frozen berries are nutritious too, making them an easy option throughout the year. After 40, choosing naturally sweet foods like berries more often can help you satisfy cravings while giving your body nutrients that support long-term health. Heart, brain, and muscle support. Salmon is one of the most valuable protein foods you can include as you get older, because it combines high-quality protein with omega-3 fatty acids. Protein becomes increasingly important after 40 for maintaining muscle, while omega-3 fats support normal heart function and play important roles in the brain. Salmon also provides nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and vitamin D. These nutrients contribute to processes involving energy production, immune function, bone health, and nervous system health. Eating enough protein throughout the week also helps your body repair tissues and may make meals more satisfying, which can support healthier body weight management. Try baked, grilled, or air-fried salmon with vegetables and a fiber-rich side such as lentils or quinoa. You do not need complicated recipes to benefit from it. Making fatty fish a regular part of your diet can help create a nutrient-rich eating pattern that supports your heart, muscles, brain, and overall vitality as you move through your 40s and beyond. Complete protein and essential nutrients. Eggs provide one of the most convenient sources of high-quality protein, along with nutrients that become particularly useful as maintaining strength and energy becomes more important. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them an excellent food for supporting muscle maintenance and recovery. Eggs are also a useful source of choline, a nutrient involved in normal brain function and cell structure. They provide vitamin B12, selenium, and several other micronutrients in a relatively small package. Including protein at breakfast may also help you feel satisfied for longer, compared with starting the morning with foods made mostly from refined carbohydrates. Pair eggs with vegetables, avocado, or whole grain toast for a balanced meal, instead of serving them alongside heavily processed breakfast foods. A vegetable omelet, boiled eggs with a salad, or scrambled eggs with spinach can provide a satisfying combination of protein and nutrients that supports healthy eating after 40 without making meals complicated. Vitamins and minerals for everyday protection. Spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens deliver a remarkable concentration of nutrients for very few calories. Depending on the variety, they can provide folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, carotenoids, magnesium, potassium, and other compounds that support many normal functions throughout the body. Leafy greens are particularly valuable because healthy aging depends on much more than simply controlling body weight. Your blood vessels, bones, digestive system, eyes, and muscles all need a steady supply of micronutrients. Greens also provide fiber and plant compounds that make them an excellent foundation for a diet centered on minimally processed foods. Aim to add greens wherever you can, rather than treating them as something that belongs only in salads. Stir spinach into eggs, add kale to soups, blend greens into smoothies, or serve a large portion beside your main meal. Small daily habits like these can dramatically improve the nutrient density of your diet over months and years. protein, calcium, and gut support. Plain Greek yogurt is especially useful after 40 because it provides substantial protein while also supplying calcium and other important nutrients. Maintaining enough protein becomes increasingly important for preserving lean muscle, while adequate calcium contributes to maintaining normal bones and teeth throughout adulthood. Yogurt containing live cultures can also introduce beneficial microorganisms into your diet. Your gut microbiome interacts with digestion, metabolism, and immune function, so including fermented foods can be one part of a varied, fiber-rich eating pattern. Choosing plain yogurt also lets you avoid the large amounts of added sugar found in many flavored varieties. Top Greek yogurt with berries, walnuts, chia seeds, or cinnamon for a quick breakfast or snack that combines protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. It can also replace heavier sauces in some recipes. This is one of the simplest foods to keep available when you need something convenient but still want your meal to support strength and healthy aging. Heart-friendly fats and protective compounds. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of Mediterranean-style eating patterns that are consistently associated with better cardiovascular health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and also contains polyphenols, natural plant compounds that help make high-quality olive oil more than simply another source of calories. Replacing some saturated fats and highly processed sauces with olive oil can improve the overall quality of your diet. Healthy fats are also important for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins from vegetables. The key is not pouring unlimited amounts onto everything, but using olive oil strategically as part of meals built around vegetables, legumes, fish, and other whole foods. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads, roasted vegetables, lentils, or cooked greens, or use moderate amounts when preparing meals. Combined with a Mediterranean-style diet, this simple habit can support a healthier heart and make nutrient-dense foods much more enjoyable, which matters because the healthiest eating plan is one you can maintain consistently. Healthy fats for heart and brain. Walnuts provide unsaturated fats, plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, minerals, and antioxidant compounds in a compact serving. Their combination of fat and fiber also makes them satisfying, which can be helpful when you are trying to replace cookies, chips, or other heavily processed snacks with something more nutrient-dense. Research on nuts consistently links regular consumption with cardiovascular benefits when they are eaten as part of a healthy dietary pattern. Walnuts also provide alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an essential omega-3 fat the body cannot produce on its own. Their nutrients make them a useful addition to a diet designed to support long-term heart and metabolic health. Keep portions reasonable, because nuts are calorie-dense. A small handful added to yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or eaten with a piece of fruit can be enough. The real advantage comes from substitution. When walnuts replace less nutritious snack foods, you gain fiber, healthy fats, and micronutrients without needing a dramatic change to your daily routine. Fiber and plant protein for lasting energy. Lentils are one of the most underrated foods for healthy aging. They provide plant protein, complex carbohydrates, iron, folate, potassium, magnesium, and an impressive amount of fiber. That combination can help create meals that are satisfying while providing slow-digesting nutrition instead of a quick burst of energy followed by hunger. Fiber becomes especially valuable after 40 because it supports digestive health, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and can contribute to healthier cholesterol and blood sugar control. Lentils also allow you to increase plant-based protein without relying entirely on animal foods, helping create the dietary variety associated with healthier eating patterns. Add lentils to soups, salads, stews, curries, or grain bowls, or serve them beside fish and vegetables. Canned lentils can work when you need something fast. Simply rinse them before using. Few foods provide this much fiber and nutrition at such a low cost, making lentils one of the easiest long-term additions to a healthier diet. Healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Avocado combines several nutrients that become increasingly valuable when you are trying to support heart health and maintain satisfying meals. It provides mostly unsaturated fat, along with fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin E, and other nutrients that can complement vegetables, eggs, whole grains, and lean protein. The combination of fat and fiber helps make avocado particularly satisfying. It can also replace ingredients such as butter, creamy dressings, or heavily processed spreads in certain meals. Potassium is another important benefit because it plays a role in normal muscle and nerve function and contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure regulation. Add sliced avocado to eggs, salads, whole grain toast, or a bowl filled with vegetables and beans. Because avocado is energy dense, you do not need an enormous serving to benefit from it. Used sensibly, it can make nutritious meals more enjoyable while supplying the healthy fats and fiber that support a balanced diet after 40. Fiber and powerful plant compounds. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, along with cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale. It provides vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, fiber, carotenoids, and naturally occurring compounds called glucosinolates that have attracted considerable scientific interest for their role in cellular defense processes. Eating more cruciferous vegetables is valuable because healthy aging depends heavily on your overall dietary pattern. Vegetables like broccoli help increase fiber and micronutrient intake while adding volume to meals without excessive calories. That makes it easier to build satisfying plates around vegetables instead of allowing refined carbohydrates and processed foods to dominate. Steam broccoli lightly, roast it with olive oil and herbs, add it to stir-fries, or mix it into soups and grain bowls. The goal is not to force yourself to eat plain vegetables every day, but to prepare them in ways you genuinely enjoy. Regularly filling more of your plate with vegetables is one of the strongest habits you can build for long-term health. Aging well is not about finding one miracle food that suddenly turns back the clock. It comes from the choices you repeat week after week. Enough protein to support muscle, colorful plants for protective compounds, healthy fats for your heart and brain, fiber for your gut, and nutrient-rich foods that give your body what it needs to function at its best. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 10 foods do you already eat regularly? And which one will you add more often after today? If this video helped you discover simple ways to stay stronger, healthier, and more energetic after 40, subscribe to Healthy Grams, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who wants to age well and feel their best for years to come.